Namaste. Myself Road Srishti Kesavani. I am from Road Club of Sangam City, Allahabad. RID 3120. So today I am here to present my views on a very interesting topic, which is power of music. But before starting that, let me introduce myself properly, because for many of the people my name seems to be quite unique and they are intrigued about what does it actually means. So here I am. My name Srishti means universe and beyond, and music for me can be something like that. Yes, exactly. Music is my life, because without music you can say I'm a soulless person, as I'm a person who find joy, happiness, angriness and all the pandora of emotions in music itself. Do you know that you can easily express yourself with music? Be it any kind of emotions: angriness, craziness, fondness, love, kindle, excitement, craziness, loneliness, sadness, whatever it is. There is some or the other song which you can relate to the situation and sing and make yourself happy or relaxed. So, all in all, music can be considered as an explosion of emotions. As for me, give me a word, situation, person, or emotion. I have song for each of them. Even if you make me sad, I have a song. If you make me wait, I have a song. If you make me angry, I have a song too. And the best thing is, I can tease you. The most beautiful thing about music is that it has no boundaries. Even if you're from India, you can listen to any other country's song. You can listen to hip hop, you can listen to Spanish, you can listen to Italian, whatsoever language it is, you can listen to it, even if you don't understand the language. So, how does it even matter? What matters is the emotions, which music is the best way to display. As you won't believe, just a few days back, I was enjoying some of the Spanish songs. Although I'm not so knowledgeable about the Spanish language, but I was enjoying it. It was so relaxing. It is also used for therapies. You have at least one song which you when hear triggers your emotions. For example, a song which may remind you of your first love, a song which may remind you of your wedding or your sudden breakup. Even the researchers say that the elements of music, which is rhythm, melody, etc., are echoed in our physiology, functioning, and being. Studies also claim that music helps in our mental health. You want to know how? It is by listening music, our brain releases a chemical known as dopamine. Dopamine is said to be a chemical for enhancing mood. It also helps in treating depression. So, music can help you in treating your depression too. Researchers are also finding the health benefits of music, which may go beyond even mental health. Music is not only helping in increasing our health in recreation, but it is also helping in many other ways. Example, you can have lots of example for it. For example, you can make new friends, you have new connections, you come to know a lot about cultures from different countries, even from different states of the same country. Music is one such source which can instantly make you connect from the other person, be it from another country or district or state. And as for me, conclude, there is one line which I always say to all the people around me, which is मेरी आवाज़ ही पहचान है, गर याद रही